What's up, everybody? Back in the garage. Wanted to update you guys on some of the big projects I've been working on and kind of take you through my day. We're leaving to California tomorrow for a baby shower, so today's kind of my Friday, and I'm going to take the day to kind of work in the garage because I feel like it. So the big project I've been working on, I'm still waiting on one fitting, is the pressure washer. So this is my wall-mounted pressure washer. I got most of this stuff from Obsessed Garage, and so I'll kind of walk you through how I installed it. So it looks super clean on the outside, but behind the scenes is all the plumbing for it. So since I'm lazy, I just used PVC, but I had cold water coming in for the water heater, so I just teed it off. And so water heater works as normal, and then I put a valve here for the water that goes to the pressure washer, and then just kind of ran it along this shelf here and through the wall. And then on the other side of the wall, I have a hose bib. And so the hose bib splits off into two. So one routes up and goes to the pressure washer inlet, and then the other one drops down into the bucket filler. So I got this bucket filler from Obsessed Garage. So that way when I'm washing, all I have to do is just crank that open and I can fill my soap bucket, my rinse bucket. This is a Cox hose reel. I got that on Amazon, but the Cox hose reel is plumbed into the inlet or the outlet of the pressure washer, and then that way when I want to wash a car, all I got to do is just pull this out and then roll it back up. And then I have the Mosmatic spray gun that I got also from Obsessed Garage with the active pressure washer package. So the reason why I got this active pressure washer is it's about $200 just for the pressure washer, and it puts out about 2 gallons per minute at 1,000 PSI. So that's pretty much perfect for washing cars. I know it's probably not the most reliable one, but for $200, if it lasts me a couple of years, I'll get my money's worth from it. So yeah, that's pretty much the setup. I'm super happy with the way it came out, and now this is kind of going to be my wash bay. So I'll pull the car out, wash it, and then pull it into dry and do the interior. And so then the other thing I have is I put a wall-mounted Vacumaid Garage Vac Pro. So this comes with a 50-foot hose, and then I have a Cox hose reel coming for the vacuum hose that I'm gonna mount below it. And so that way when I pull the car in, I can just vacuum it out right here and then roll it back up super easy. And then we have a 65-inch Vizio that we put on the wall. And that's pretty much the summary of the projects I've been working on. I moved the fridge over here, and then next week somebody is coming to install the mini split AC. So that's gonna go right above these cabinets here. So I'm probably gonna end up taking these cabinets down and moving them here and maybe painting them. And then I'll figure out the cabinet array. I think also my air compressor is gonna end up right here. And then I'll probably use PEX plumbing pipes to plumb up a hose reel somewhere in here. Ideally, I'd like to have it in this bay. I think this is going to kind of become the main working bay. And then lastly, I have a Cox power cord reel. So I'm going to outfit this with a Pro-Lock extension cord. So I'm waiting on a few things to come from Amazon to wire that up, but I'll kind of show you guys how I wire that up, and then again, hopefully install that in this bay. There's a plug here for the garage door opener, so I may just wire it up to that plug, and then that way I can, you know, plug in my polishers or anything like that. So I'll have power and an extension cord. It's a 50-foot extension cord. So I have air, power, vacuum, pressure washer all in one bay, and then over here will kind of be my workbench. So over here will probably be my workbench. I'll get a tool chest. I'm gonna probably take out this cabinet and put like a tool chest or rolling tool chest or something like that. And then put like maybe some Husky or New Age cabinets over here. So today we are working on, so I know that was kind of long-winded, but today we're working on we're gonna put the fans up. So I'm probably gonna wire them up to the lights. And then I need to finish the lights, so I bought some junction boxes. So I'm going to clean up the wire in here. I think I'm also going to shorten these wires, so I need to get a soldering iron, so probably a trip to Harbor Freight. But yeah, I'm going to put in the junction boxes and kind of show you how I do that. But this is kind of the first test run. It's not completely finished, but that's kind of what it's going to look like right there. So looks a lot better than this. So to clean up this junction here, I bought some old work junction boxes, so I'm going to cut a square hole for these boxes. I'll put the Romex into the box and then wire the light into it here, and then I'm probably just going to drill out like a blank cover to run the lights into the junction box. So pretty simple project, but then I have to figure out where the ceiling fans are going to go. So I got the first one done. Looks pretty good. Looks way better than before. I just used the cable ties to kind of hide that behind the light, and then I used a coax cover to cover the junction box, and the two cables kind of fit perfectly in there, and then patched up the hole around it. So I still need to patch up some of the holes from the old lights, but probably a task for another day. I want to get these junction boxes knocked out and get these fans up. Have to paint anyway, so probably gonna patch up all the holes before paint, because it's gonna be a lot of stuff to patch. I just wanted to get the junction boxes and the cover plates looking good, and I think I did a pretty good job coming from what it looked like before. So very happy with the Barrina lights. So I'll link them below in the description if you want to get them on Amazon. They're like 120 bucks a pack, and I used, I think, 1 pack per bay. So yeah, knocking out the rest of these, and then I'll probably head to Harbor Freight. All right, so I changed my mind. I ended up putting both fans on this side. I just kind of got lazy was the main reason, so I started kind of contemplating other places. I didn't really want to run power to right here, and I figured if I put the fan here, it's just going to blow on the car anyway. So the cold air is going to be coming from here, so having these two fans kind of push the air this way, I thought would be the most effective. And there was already power lines going up there, so I just tapped in and put an outlet right above that light. So I thought that was the cleanest way to do it and the most effective. Plus, if I'm ever just standing working, I'll be right there, so I can kind of get the cold air. And then over here, I'll mostly be washing or detailing, so I'll be moving around. But either way, I think it worked out. I'm pretty happy with it. So thank you, Tracy Walters, for the fans. They made a great contribution. So now I'm waiting on a couple more things from Amazon. It should be here any minute to finish this up, and then we'll figure out where we're gonna put this. So last couple projects of the day before we head out of town is I did the TP-Link. So last couple projects of the day before we head out, I did the TP-Link smart switches. So these connect to Alexa and to your phone. So I have one here for the main garage lights, and then I have one here for the fans that are above the workbench that we put in today. And then I put one in the closet. And then I also, because I'm a nerd, put one for the bug zapper. So it's as far away from the workbench as possible, so that'll attract the bugs, and hopefully there won't be as many mosquitoes, because I've been getting eaten up. And then this is a beauty. So this is a Cox extension cord reel. I took off the extension cord that comes with it, and I put a Pro Lock Obsessed Garage extension cord. So when you plug something into it, you have to pull this back like a quick release to pull the plug out. So that way, if you're working with a polisher or something and you tug on it, it won't come unplugged. You have to kind of unlock it. So we'll be hanging that on the ceiling. I think that's probably going to go up in the middle of these two bays. And then that's it. So that's it. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video. I'll update you guys on my new real estate project. Just waiting for funding on that. So once it's funded, I can make a video and kind of let you guys know what our plan is. But that's going to be a big project, and I think a lot of people will be excited about that. So make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. I'm just really trying to show you no love. Say you tired and you need a new love.